Hi pet lovers, meet the LOVEEPE Dog Grooming Vacuum Kit, a 9-in-1 grooming solution combining a hair dryer, vacuum, and electric clippers. Its powerful 45,000 RPM motor delivers 21K paw suction to easily remove loose hair and dust while drying your pet quickly with 165 CFM airflow. The kit includes various nozzles and brushes for thorough drying and effective hair removal from your pet and home. Adjustable temperature settings keep your furry friend comfortable during grooming sessions. The vacuum combs and clippers work together to trim and collect hair, preventing messes everywhere. With a large 3-liter dust box, cleaning up after grooming is easier than ever. Experience a professional grooming routine at home with this all-in-one pet care tool. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.